go. There's a fish. Nice smallie. There we go. That feels good, whatever it is. There we go. Cast it away over there. Nice little smallie. There we go. That feels like a nice one. All right, well, the last time I was here, I told you guys I was gonna let it cool off a little bit, and it literally has. So you can probably see and hear, fall is in the air. I'm gonna see if I can get on something in this spot again. Last couple times I was here, I saw some really nice smallmouth. I'm gonna throw around this Nikko Craw on a North Branch tackle sled jig. Let's see what happens. There's a bass looking at it right now. Keeps nosing down on it, but I like using a sled jig a lot in the fall because all the leaves that fall on the bottom of the creeks and rivers can actually hide your hook pretty well, whether it's in a plastic crawl like this or a worm or whatever. Looks like a largemouth. You can see that bass swimming around. It's probably hard for you guys to see, but just hanging out right here in this area. There we go. There's a fish. Nice smallie. Little butterball. He's short and fat. There we go, first one so far. Thanks for the fight, bud. That bass is still swimming around right here. Oh man, up over the tree branch. Sweet, got it. There we go. That feels good, whatever it is. It's a smallie. Oh, there's like 3 of them with them. 3 good ones too. It's that wolf pack time of year. There we go. A little bit longer. Beautiful creek smallie. I don't know where his friends went, but I'll let him go. Try to catch him. I think the bass get more aggressive this time of year because there's bass that group up together and they kind of fight over the food. Oh, just got hit by another one right there. Another one, smaller. It's all right, we'll take the little guys too. There we go. Another one, same spot. Must be stacked right there. Another little one. Beautiful patterns on them though. saw another one swimming with that one too, so they're definitely grouped up. It's almost like I triggered a feeding frenzy now. Hopefully I can hook into one of those bigger ones I saw with that first one I caught. There we go. Casted it way over there. Nice little smallie. Let's get down here because I don't want to heave them up and then have to toss them down either. A little one. Guess we gotta weed through some of these cookie cutter size fish to find some of the bigger ones. Hey, as long as I'm catching fish, I'm not gonna complain. Something just jumped. Oh, right underneath the bridge. I heard something. Oh, just got hit right there. Let's see if I can get this one that jumped underneath the bridge. I actually do have a different color with me too. Now that I think about it, I'm gonna try that. This is more of a natural color. I have it on a skirted jig here, so I'm gonna give that a couple tosses and see if they commit to that. Sometimes if they're just playing with your bait, not really eating it, switching colors is all it takes. I'm gonna give it a try on this side of the bridge before I head out. There we go. Thought something bumped it. Another little one. There we go. That feels like a nice one. Dude, it's crazy too because it's kind of shallow up here. It's not a giant, but not a bad one. It's Nikko Craw. This color I'm using is different than that Bama Craw. I forget the color of this off the top of my head, but these smallies love them. I'll leave a link in the description too of everything I'm using, including these Nikko baits and North Branch tackle jigs. There's a discount code you can use as well. So please use that discount code because not only helps you to catch fish, but helps the business, helps you to save money. I'm gonna make a few more casts here and we're gonna call it a day, but all in all, not bad creek session because I just got off work. I figured why not give it a try here. Definitely getting on some numbers. As I was walking across the bridge too, I actually saw a decent muskie laying over there. And obviously I'm not going to try to catch him on bass gear because it's a pretty nice size one for a creek, and I figured he'd probably snap me off. But I'll pop him up on the screen too so you can see it. But gotta love the creek in the fall. Not only the activity, but just the fish that you can catch, the opportunities to catch some really good fish. All right, well, I'm gonna get out of here, get out of my work clothes, get out of my work boots, find something to eat. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like I said, consider trying some Nikko Craws out, North Branch tackle jigs, the sled jigs, these skirted football jigs. As you can tell, I mean, I can't make this up. They work, the fish like them. But definitely check them out. It helps to support smaller companies. But I'll see you guys soon. Stay fishing and stay anchored. And I hope you guys get out and do some fall fishing. I'll see you soon. God bless you.